Hey everyone, if your AnyDesk mouse is not working, the cursor is stuck, or you can't click on the remote device, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to restore mouse control in AnyDesk. First, disconnect and reconnect the AnyDesk session. Temporary connection glitches can sometimes block mouse input. Make sure mouse control is allowed in session permissions. Yeah, if control is disabled, you won't be able to move or click. Make sure the remote computer is not frozen or overloaded. I mean, if the system is lagging, mouse input may not respond properly. Try restarting AnyDesk on both devices and also restart your computer or phone, so this clears temporary input and connection issues. Make sure your local mouse is working properly. Test it in another app to confirm it's not a hardware issue. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, network routing issues can sometimes interfere with mouse signals. Make sure AnyDesk is allowed through your firewall. Blocked permissions can stop mouse control from transmitting. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often fix mouse and control bugs. Try toggling remote control mode off and on again, so refreshing control permissions can restore mouse functionality. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. Yeah, a fresh installation can fix corrupted control components. If you're still having issues, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify deeper system or compatibility problems, and that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk mouse not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.